Have to remove Threads badge on Instagram profile. So in order to do that, let's head over right here to our Instagram. Now let's head over right here to our name. And as you can see, I have in here my Threads badge. So if we want to hide that, I can just click on these three lines. And then for this one, you can scroll down and then look for the Threads badge option. Now, if you can find it, you can just head over and then search for it. So here's our Threads right here. When you click on it, it will direct you to the app. If you want to hide it, just search for it right here. Or you can also search in here for badge in order to hide it. Now, alternatively, you can also go right here to your Threads and then click on this edit profile and then click on the show Instagram badge and untoggle that in order to hide it. So that's how you remove Threads badge on Instagram profile. Hope we helped.